Okay. So now, what is MuleSoft? Anyone having any idea?
It is an integration tool.
Very good. Perfect. So MuleSoft is nothing but it is an integration tool. Okay, this is perfect answer. Okay. MuleSoft is integration tool. First of all, what is this MuleSoft? Okay. This MuleSoft is nothing but it is one of the software company. Okay. Headquarters, which is located in San Francisco, California. Okay. This MuleSoft, it is an integration tool which is founded in 26. Okay, that time we will call it as a MuleSource, not MuleSoft. Okay, we will call it as a MuleSoft, MuleSource. Okay, in 2009 they renamed this name as MuleSoft to Mule course to MuleSoft. Okay, so and moreover, recently, first 3 years back, Salesforce acquired this MuleSoft organization. So that's why huge demand in the market. Okay, so that's why a lot of openings are there. Huge demand is there in the market. Okay. Apart from this MuleSoft, why they mention this name as a MuleSoft? Why not Aditya Soft, Birla Soft, or some other Technosoft something? There is a reason behind this. Okay. First of all, what is a mule? Mule, what is the general meaning of mule?
Donkey.
Donkey. Okay.
Donkey.
Very good. So to eliminate the donkey work, okay, they mention this name as a MuleSoft. Can you see here? Eliminates the donkey work. So that's why they mention this name as a MuleSoft. Clear?
Yes.
So that is MuleSoft. Okay. How they are going to eliminate this donkey work? Compared to all other integrations tool, this MuleSoft makes our life very simple and as well as easy. Okay. So that's why it is going to eliminate the donkey work. That's why they will mention this name as a MuleSoft. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, as we discussed just now, MuleSoft is nothing but integration tool. What do you mean by integration? Integration ante em? Anyone having any? Guys, comfortable,
another point.
right?
Connecting two systems.
Very good.
Communicating to applications.
Very good. So integration is nothing but the communication between any two is known as integration. Like between two softwares, between two human beings. Okay, this we can call it as a integration. But in interview, we should not tell like this because this is the general definition. Okay, this is not technical definition. Okay, so we need to explain to the technical definition to the interview. Okay, see what is integration here? This is the general definition. The communication between any two is known as integration, like between two softwares or between two human beings. What is technical definition? If someone will ask you in the interview in MuleSoft, what do you mean by integration? So integration is nothing but it is a technology which is used to transport and transform data between end systems. Okay, here in technical terminology, what do you mean by end system? End system is nothing but it could be any end system. It could be SAP, it could be Salesforce, it could be file server, it could be database, it could be mobile app, it could be web app. Okay. So let me give you simple example so that you are going to understand this. Okay. See, suppose I want to, fetch some movies. What are all the movies, right now playing in the theaters? Okay, what I'll do, just I'm providing movies. What it will do, it is going to fetch all the movies information. Can you see here how we are getting? they are going to store somewhere in the database. That we can call it as a one of the end system. Or if I want to book a bus ticket or flight ticket, okay, so that what we will do, we are going to use this Redbus. Okay, here if you provide some input over here, okay, so Hyderabad to Chennai, okay, so I'm selecting some tentative date here. Let me click on this search bus. As soon as I click on this, internally what it will happen, you know, one API is going to call and it is going to fetch this entire travel agency info from the database or any one of the end system. Clear? Did you understand what do you mean by end system here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. End system is nothing but it could be anything. It could be database, it could be Salesforce, it could be SAP, it could be file or something. Okay, these and all we are going to cover, you know, in the coming sessions. How we are going to integrate our applications to by using this middleware. Okay, now you guys are clear with this MuleSoft and as well as integration, right? Okay, now, so what, see, if you want to, you know, work any kind of technology or anything, okay, internally what will happen? We need to install some set of softwares, correct? So what and all the softwares required for this MuleSoft? Okay, so before moving to this, first of all, you guys having, you know, so many questions on your mind. Okay, if you want to learn this MuleSoft, okay, I am into different IT background. I am into database engineer. I am a test engineer. Okay, I am a non-IT. I am a telecaller. Okay, I am a recruiter. Okay, I'm a civil engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer. Different people came. Okay, here. Okay, now let me tell you. So irrespective of any background, okay, if you have, you know, any experience or if you don't have any experience, at least if you have 2 to 3 years gap after your education, so you can learn this course, okay, 200% without hesitating. Why? Because calls are too good for this. Okay, these questions I will take later. Okay, just now someone texted me in the chat, so that's why I answered. Okay, so that is the, see, there is no prerequisites to learn this MuleSoft. Anyone can learn this MuleSoft easily. Okay, there is no prerequisite. But if you want to learn this MuleSoft, okay, in my system, I need to install some set of softwares. Okay, so what are all the softwares required for this MuleSoft? Okay, the first one is Anypoint platform. See, Anypoint platform. Okay, this is, you know, simple one kind of application. See, this sign up and all very easy. How we are going to sign up with this Facebook and Gmail? Much similarly, you can sign up. Let me come back to here. So just come to Google, just type Anypoint platform sign up. As soon as you click on this sign up, it will take to you this MuleSoft official website. Just click on this. Okay, here it is not asking, you know, much details. Okay, so here it is asking your full name. How we are going to register for Facebook? Much similar. So you can provide your full name, email ID, phone number, company. Company means any company name you can provide. If you are working some IBM or Infosys or Accenture or TechM, any company you can provide. If you are not working any company, nothing will happen. You can keep your dream company. Okay, so then you have to set up one username. Okay, make sure you have to remember this username. Why? Because we need to log in with this username and as well as password. Okay, see, if you want to set up your password, okay, you need to use at least one number, one lowercase, one uppercase, and it should be minimum 8 characters. Okay, how they are going to restrict this, I can show you, in real time. See, password, it is expecting 8 characters. If I give, 3 characters, it will not allow. See, it is still not yet satisfied. Okay. Understood? So that's why, so we need to provide all this. Clear? Okay. Now, so click on this checkbox. I'm not a robot. Then you have to agree this terms.
అయింది ల్యాప్టాప్ ఏంది
Okay.
ల్యాప్టాప్ స్ట్రక్ అయింది
Please,
ఏం రావట్లేదు
guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
చేద్దాం
Okay. Okay, now accept and continue. This is how we can create our account. Okay. So this sign up part and all, I will show you tomorrow session. Okay. Next. This is our first software we need to install. Okay. Here we are going to design our brand new APIs. Okay. Now let me come back to the Anypan Studio. Okay. So this is an Eclipse based tool. Okay. Here we are going to, create our flows and all, everything in the Anypan Studio. Okay. So just double click on this. I already installed. See, this is Anypan Studio version 7.10. Okay. Let me launch this. How to install this software, I will show you. Okay, I'm going to provide all the links with you guys. Come to Google, just type Anypan Studio download. Okay. As soon as you click on this one, again it will take to you this MuleSoft official website. So here it is showing download 30-day free trial account. Okay. Don't worry about this. This is not 30-day free trial account. This is lifetime. Okay. This I installed, 4 years back. Still it is working for me. So here what you need to do, just select the operating system. Which operating system you are going to use, whether you are going to use Mac OS or Linux or Windows. It depends upon your system configuration. You can select this. Okay, Windows, Mac, Linux. In my case, I am using Mac. I'll go with this. Accept this terms and conditions. Click on this, then click on download. As soon as you click on this download, see, immediately it is going to be downloaded. Let me pause it. Why? Because I do have already in my machine. It consists of 1.8 GB. If you have good internet connection, good bandwidth, that time you can download this software. Okay. Clear? Now you know how to sign up with this Anypan platform, how to download this studio. Clear? Next setup is Postman. What is the use of this Postman? Okay, we created application. Okay, we want to test that application, how it is working. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use this Postman. Postman is used to test your applications externally. Okay, మనము ఒక అప్లికేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాక దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా, దానికోసం పోస్ట్మ్యాన్ అనేది వాడతాం. క్లియర్? ఓకే గైస్, see how to install this Postman, I will show you. Just come here, just type Postman, download for Windows or something, whatever you are using. It will take to your official website of postman.com. Click on this. Okay, if you scroll down, based on your operating system, you can select which one you want to use. Okay, if you click on this download, so it is going to be downloaded. See, I don't want to download this. I do have already Postman here. This is my Postman. Okay, if you have these three, okay, you can learn this MuleSoft very easily. Okay, clear? Now ఈ 3 సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఉంటే సో మనము MuleSoft ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, ఈజీగా వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు. క్లియర్? నౌ Next, Git and Git Bash, Git and GitHub. Okay. See, irrespective of any technology, if you go with the Java, .NET, SAP, Salesforce, any technology, you have to learn this Git and GitHub. Okay. If you didn't learn, if you are expert in the, this studio, complete MuleSoft, if you are a perfect, okay. If you attend any interview, you can crack that interview. But while once you enter into the organization, company, what will happen, very first thing what we need to do, we need to import the code. If it is existing project, what we need to do, we need to clone that code to our local machine. They will provide some KT. Okay, after KT, you need to download that code and you have to work on it. If you don't know how to download this, okay, so that they will come to know you don't have genuine experience, just you learned how to crack the interview, you prepared answers for them, so that they will come to know easily. So that's why I added this Git and GitHub. Okay, these two are the DevOps tools, but still I added in the MuleSoft course. Okay, ఈ రెండు DevOps లో వాడతారండి, గిట్ అండ్ గిట్ హబ్ అని. ఓకేనా. సో నేను ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేశానంటే, మనకి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇస్తే ప్రాజెక్ట్ కోడ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది గిట్ హబ్ లో ఒక రిపాజిటరీలో పెట్టింటారు. వీ నీడ్ టు డౌన్లోడ్ దట్ వన్. అది డౌన్లోడ్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది ఇవన్నీ మీకు ప్రాక్టికల్ రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియో చూపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ స్లాక్. స్లాక్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ communication purpose. So we are going to use Skype, Teams and all, right? So most of the organization, they are using Teams nowadays. Okay, some of the organization, they will use the Slack and all. This is communication purpose. Okay, right now we have communication. What is our communication tool here in our course?
Zoom.
Then
Zoom.
WhatsApp also.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have any queries, you can post in the chat box in the Zoom, or else if you have any queries, you can post in the WhatsApp also. Okay, so these are the various softwares which we need to install on our mission. So once we install this, all the required softwares, we can start our MuleSoft journey. Clear? So any questions here?
Yeah.
No questions? Okay.
No, fine.
I do have one question here. Okay, do we need to install all the softwares in real time in the organization?
Yeah, first three was.
No, we are not at all.
First one will directly open in Chrome, right?
No. We are not going to install any software at any cost and so without approval, you install any kind of software, okay, it will be a problem for you. Why? Because you don't have proper approval. Guys, please.
Sir, your voice was not clear.
No, my voice is clear. Hello.
Sir, can you repeat once again?
Yeah.
There was a disturbance in your voice.
Yeah. Not my voice. Someone making some noise. That's why you please be in mute. Guys, everyone please be in mute. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So in real time, we are not going to install any software at any cost. Okay. Why? Because we need a proper approval for this. Okay, to install any kind of software. Okay, once you got a job, if you want to set up all your softwares, it may take 2 to 3 days. Okay, these 3 days you can enjoy. In some of the organization, it may take week also. Okay, so then you may ask me one question. You told me that we are not going to install any software in the real time. Then how we are going to work on this? This case is, it will be vary, depends on organization to organization. Suppose if you take very big organization, suppose IBM, okay, some big organization, PwC, okay, what we will do, we are going to raise a request for that. Okay, how to raise a request, I will tell you. Okay, so now I'm asking general question. I want to buy, iPhone. How can I buy that iPhone? Can someone suggest me?
You can directly book on online
Online, where? Online, so many
in
sites.
Amazon or in Flipkart.
Or Amazon, Flipkart.
Flipkart or Amazon. Very good. So first, what I will do if I want to buy iPhone, I'll go to different websites like Flipkart, Amazon. I'll go to, okay. There, what I will do, I'm going to search iPhone. Okay. As soon as I search this iPhone, okay, what will happen? I'm getting so many models. Correct? Clear or not?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, if I click on this Amazon, okay, it will take to you this store. Okay, then directly whatever the product I want, I can search directly over here. If I click on this iPhone, it will be display all the iPhones models. Okay, so now whatever I want, what I'll do, if I want to buy iPhone 12, I'll click on this. What is the next step? I'm going to add to my cart. Okay, then once it is added, I'm going to click on checkout. So that what will happen, once it is login, it will directly take to you payment gateway. Correct? So in real time also, so each and every organization, they are using, some software centers. They are going to maintain some software centers. Let me give you one example. ServiceNow. Okay, it is one kind of ticketing tool. Okay, there what we will do, as soon as you join the organization, they are going to provide, that credentials with you. Okay, ServiceNow. Right now I have Amazon, right? Like this, you will get ServiceNow. So once you got that ServiceNow, you have to enter that ServiceNow ticketing tool. Their software centers will be there. Okay. So once you enter this, what softwares you want to install? That you don't have any idea, right? So what you need to do, once you join the organization, suppose if you are a MuleSoft developer, you will get one spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is nothing but, this is the technical term. Okay, we can call it as Excel sheet. Hello. Yeah, guys. Sorry. One more sincere request. People who already joined, different batch. Okay. I mean, previous batches. Please drop off. Why? Because participant limit is maximum 100. So that just now I got some messages saying that they are not able to join the meeting. So my sincere request is please drop off. If you have any queries, we will catch up in the WhatsApp. Anyone joined from other batches? This is just demo, right? If you want, we can share this recording with you. Just provide chance to others. Some people, they joined twice. Sai Kumar. Okay, you joined through, mobile and laptop, I guess. Please drop off one so that other participant, he may join. Anyone joined like this? See Shravani. I could see 3 times. Hello. Guys, please respond. Please join only once. Okay, because limit is only 100. If you join twice also, please drop off, please. Sravanti, I could see 2 times. Okay, because others, they are waiting in the queue. Please give chance to others, okay? Clear? So in real time also, we do have ServiceNow ticketing tool, okay? So you have ServiceNow ticketing tool, you have access everything, but you don't know which software you need to install, correct? so that they are going to provide one spreadsheet with you. They will send an email to you. Okay. So in that email, they will mention, suppose if you are a MuleSoft developer, what are all the softwares you want to install. Okay. Anypoint Studio, Postman, JDK 1.8, okay, Git and GitHub Access, everything they will mention. Okay. Based on that, what you can do, you can search in the search box. There also you will get one search box like this. Okay. If you want Anypoint Studio, you can search. Suppose here I want iPhone. If I want to add OnePlus mobile, just let me type and add to cart. Okay. Like this, we need to keep on, we need to add all the items to cart. Okay. Like this, you can add all the required softwares in the cart. Okay. There also will get cart option. So as soon as you got that option, at the end, what we will do, we are going to check out. Here also, you have to check out these softwares. Once you check out these softwares, what will happen, you know, immediately a mail trigger will go to your corresponding manager. Okay. So that what that guy will do, he's going to check, okay, whether this guy is really needed all the required softwares. Okay. He will cross check. Okay. And then what he will do, he's going to approve that email. As soon as he will approve that email, immediately again, you will get a mail trigger saying that, hey boss, all the required softwares got ready. Okay. Please go ahead and install on your machine. Okay. You will get mail like this. So immediately what you can do, you can download all the required softwares over there. Okay. This is the procedure which we need to follow. Depends upon the organization. Just now I explained only, you know, high level. That means only big companies. Okay. Guys, please drop off. I'm keep on getting so many messages saying that they are not able to join. The meeting is at capacity. Okay. Okay, let it be. Next. Okay. So that is for MNCs. If you go with, you know, some level 2, level 1 companies, what will happen? Okay. I guess, yes, you are not only in MNCs, most of the organizations, Narayana, he sent. I guess MNCs, we are not allowed to install. Not only MNCs. Now let me talk about in some level 1, level 2 companies. Okay. In this, okay, what will happen, you know, in this organization, so they don't maintain, you know, this kind of ServiceNow ticketing tools and all. Why? Because it is somewhat costly. We need to buy that license and all, everything. Okay. We need to assign one person to that. Okay. So this is somewhat, you know, costly. So that, okay, what we can do, they will have some network engineers. Okay. So what they will do inside their organization, they will create their own tools, ticketing tools. Okay. What we need to do, so they will install everything. So we need to raise a request. So how to raise a request? Like how we are going to log in with ServiceNow, they will provide you one spreadsheet. Okay. How to log in with, how to raise a request in the induction. They are going to demonstrate everything. Okay. Now what you need to do, whatever the software you want, you just need to write in the body. In mail we are writing, right? Like this you need to write. Okay. Subject line is need required softwares. Then you have to mention Anypoint Studio. Then remaining Anypoint platform, Postman, everything you need to write. And next to that, you have to write some description. Why you want to install all these softwares. Whatever the project you are working. So that you have to write. I am working with so and so AIZ client. So for this, I need all the required softwares. Okay. Once you know, send that email, okay, to that IT guy, what will happen, you know, again, you will get a mail saying that, okay, so your ticket has been raised and it is assigned to so and so person. Okay. In the networking team, 2 to 3 guys will be there. Okay. For some guy, they are going to assign your request. Then immediately he is going to send an email saying that, okay, I need approval from your IT head and your manager. Manager means your IT manager and delivery head. Then whatever who and all will be there according to their policy, you need to take approval. How you need to take approval? Whatever the mail you got, just forward to them and saying that, hey boss, due to project requirement, I need these softwares. Please, I need your approval. Please approve that. Once you approve, if you take approval from them, then immediately what will happen, you know, they are going to take your system control, okay, and they are going to install all the required softwares in your system. This is how it is going to work in the real-time environment. Clear? Any questions? Installation of softwares? Okay. Anyway, we are going to discuss again, okay, in classes as well. Okay. Perfect. IT team will install. Okay. I hope many people are working here, so that's why they're answering very quickly. We can install Anypoint Studio in Linux. Yes, you can. You can install. I showed you right option here only. If you go back one step back, so here you can select. But I won't prefer Linux. Better you can use, you know, Windows and Mac, because everything will be commands, right? Again, we need to learn that one. Clear? Next. So what are all the key highlights of MuleSoft? Okay. First thing is easy installation of Anypoint Studio. Okay. Installation is very easy. Just now I showed you, right? And one more thing, UI controls, more than 350 plus components and connectors are easy to understand and navigate the better readability and maintainability. So more than 350 connectors or components are there. By using these, you can build any kind of integration irrespective of any technology. Okay. Suppose if you want to connect with the Salesforce, so this is the Mule palette. So whatever I showed you, right, just in the PPT. So these are the components or connectors. Okay. Can you see here? 2, 4, 6, 7. Here you can see so many components. Okay. Sir, you told me like more than 350 components are there, but I could see only few here. Okay, what you can do, you need to download from the Excel. Can you see? If you type Salesforce, you could see all these components or connectors like this. If you want to connect with, you know, AWS, still I didn't install. Okay, maybe NetShoot. See if I want to connect with the end system NetShoot. So these are all the components. Okay. So by using all these components or connectors, okay, and are easy to navigate. That means, so many people, they will think about this. Okay. So MuleSoft is nothing but like coding. We need to write everything. There is no coding, nothing. Everything is a drag and drop. See, I'm going to drag this component before dragging this. Okay. Let me show you something. Can you see how many lines of code is there? By default 5, right? Okay. Now what I will do, I'm going to drag one component here. See, as soon as I drag this component, automatically backend code will be generated. See, earlier 5 lines, now 10 lines of code is there. Did I wrote any code here? No, right? Once you drag the component, automatically it is going to generate the code in the form of XML. So in complete our MuleSoft journey, we are not going to write single line of code. Okay. In the data view, we are going to write simple, you know, scripting, simple business logic over there. Okay. Except that concept. Okay. Everything we are going to, you know, maintain this drag and drop. Okay. So that is the another advantage here, so that it is more popular in the market. Clear? Now So data view, just now I told you, right? For this, if you want to, work with the, faster implementation of complex transformations, we are going to use this. Well-established partner ecosystem for resources, okay? And also awesome documentation and training videos in the MuleSoft. MuleSoft is going to provide, complete material, okay? Some training videos and all. So this is the another advantage of this MuleSoft, okay? Inbuilt, we will get all the monitoring tools, policies and all. See, policy mean, anyone having any idea? Policy? No idea? Okay. So suppose if I'm using any, food kind of apps, not only food, any kind of apps, rules, very good. So in this policy, okay, you guys are using Zomato or Swiggy or Foodpanda. Most of them are using, right, Zomato.
Yes, yes.
So in the Zomato, what will happen if you sign up with very first time, will get some voucher, right? If you
Yes.
something, okay, very first time, if you are the new user, okay, you will get flat 100 rupees off, flat 150 rupees off, right? Okay, but if you same coupon, if you try next time, what will happen? Is it going to work?
No.
No. Why?
It's not valid.
Not valid. Why it is not valid? Yesterday it is valid, today why it is not valid?
It's only one time.
So only for one time.
Only one time.
Having some terms and conditions.
Okay, so how we are going to set up that by using these policies, we can restrict that. That means what they will do for new user, okay, number of requests one, okay, only for one time. For one user, only one time. They are going to set policies like this, okay. Based on that policies, it is going to work, okay. This concept also I am going to cover in the real time, okay. So I will explain, 4 to 5 policies, okay, in the real time. How we are going to use this, we are going to explain this. Clear? And these are the advantages. Okay, what is the disadvantage here? Okay, in the MuleSoft, the Anypoint Studio IDE sometimes hangs even when we increase the heap memory to 8 GB. Okay, guys, if you want to use this Anypoint Studio, okay, at least you have 8 GB of RAM. Okay, if you don't have 8 GB of RAM, what will happen? It will work for 4 GB also, but I will not recommend. Why? Because if you open this Anypoint Studio, you cannot open other tabs like this. Okay, it will take more time. Again, if you want to come back to here, it may take almost a minute. Okay, it will consume your time. So better try to arrange a good laptop with 8 GB so that it will not trouble you. Sometimes it may be, it will, it will not work properly. That is the disadvantage over here. And what is the next disadvantage? High license cost compared to other platforms. Okay, this is not our cup of tea. Okay, these companies, they will take care, because everything we are going to download open source, right? So we are not going to buy any licensed one, not required also. Okay, clear? So these are the high level key features of this Anypoint Studio. Okay, this is the real-time API use case, how we are going to get the requirement. This in the classes I am going to explain. Okay, so now what are all the other ESB tools other than this Mules? Okay, compared to this MuleSoft, what are all the other integration tools available in market? Apigee, Tipcode, Delbumi, IBM Ace, Talent, Oracle Bus, WSO2, Workato, SnapLogic. Okay, so compared to all these, this MuleSoft plays a key role. Okay, I can say there is no competitor up to now this, because some of the organization they will use Delbumi. Tipco is a bit old now. Okay. RPG, this is a Google product. Okay, Google integration one. Okay, but these are all not up to the mark. Okay, most of the clients, they like and they love, they prefer this MuleSoft. Okay, I can say up to 4 to 5 years it will be there in the top only. Okay, and again, now have you heard about this Workato? This is also another integration tool with automation. Okay, this now not there in the market, maybe it may come after 4 or 5 years. Then I can say this is the competitor for this MuleSoft. Okay, right now in India we don't have any projects with this Workato. Okay, clear? ESB is enterprise service bus. Very good. Okay, so these are the, I cannot say competitors. Okay. Okay.
Kishore, actually, I have a doubt here.
Okay.
You are telling that MuleSoft in disadvantage, it is highly licensed cost, right?
Correct.
But most of the clients will prefer for low cost, right? Only, right? But they
Correct.
need to give the projects on that.
What will happen, very first time, this MuleSoft license was low cost only. Okay. So that what happened, after they got, so many clients, they increase the cost little bit high. Because anyway, we are addicted to that, right? So that we can use. Understood? So that is the, business logic. Okay. Even if you go to any kind of restaurant, okay, initially what they will do, they are going to provide some good offers. They are going to maintain good food as well. Okay. Slowly what they will do, they are going to reducing the quality and they are going to increase the price. Okay. Because every time you will go, because you have, addicted to that. So that's why what you can do, you can directly go there. Okay. Understood? Again, if they want to go from MuleSoft to other technologies, okay, they need to again they need to hire these developers. This is completely headache, right? So that is the just business logic. Okay,
Yes.
everyone will do like that. Yeah. Okay. Now, okay. So what and all the phases will be there in the MuleSoft? Okay, what we are going to learn here. Okay, before moving to this example, I will ask you some simple question. Okay, see, I want to construct a villa. Okay, what I will do or what you guys will do?
Planning.
Plan and
Sorry.
Planning. Plan.
Estimation planning.
Place.
First you are going to plan. Okay.
Plan. Correct.
Okay. Plan is nothing but like design. Okay. So I want a villa, saying that in the ground floor, I need some kitchen and as well as some hall. Okay. On the top, okay, I need 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. It depends upon my interest. Okay. On top of it, I need a theater. Okay. And within the compound, I need a small swimming pool over there. Okay. This is my requirement. Correct. So this is the design. Who is going to design for this?
Architect.
Very good. Design architect. He is going to design our design based on our requirement. Okay. Once we are happy with this design, okay, what we will do?
Development.
Very good. We are going to develop. Development is nothing but, in our case, construction. We need to build our house. Okay. For that, what we will do? We'll buy some sand, bricks, everything, iron, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
So who is going to develop this?
Yes.
Builder. Contact with the developer. They are going to construct our house. Okay. My villa is ready. Now what is the next step?
Deployment.
Deployment means?
Entering in the house.
Testing we need to do.
Testing.
Yeah.
Testing.
Test what you will test?
Troubleshooting the software.
No, I'm talking about villa, not yes.
Monitor.
So testing means what you are going to test?
We
Any breakage, any leakages?
Very
The
good.
house is ready for as per the requirement, as per designer.
Okay, you are going to test everything. Okay, cupboards are good or not, how it is working. Okay, switches are working or not, POP is good or not. Everything you are going to test. Okay, once testing is done, everything is fine. What you will do? You are going to
Handover.
Deployed.
yeah, you are going to enter inside the house. That means live. Live is nothing but deployment. Okay. In MuleSoft also we have similarly 3 phases: design phase, development phase, and as well as deployment phase. All 3 phases will be there. Okay. So in this design phase, we are going to use this software called Anypoint Platform. Not software. This is just an application. Okay. I showed you right how to use this Anypoint, how to sign up with this Anypoint platform. So before moving to this, first let me explain how we'll get work in the real time. Okay. So we have a company called XYZ. Why I mentioned XYZ? There are lot many companies are there. IBM, okay, Infosys, Techem, like this. So many companies are there. Okay. Imagine if you are working any one of the company. Okay. For each and every client company, they will have some clients. Correct? What this guy will do? He is going to approach this person, or this guy is going to approach this. Hey boss, already I implemented these many projects. Can you have a look? If you have any requirement, please let me know. Then this guy, he will see our work, he will see our capacity, he will see our resources. Resources is nothing but employees. Okay. He will prepare one high-level documentation and he is going to hand over to this guy. Okay, based on his observations, okay, if he is happy with his work, he will come back saying that, hey man, I do have one project. Can you implement for this? If he said yes, okay, what is the next step? What's your budget? How much you are going to pay for this project? Okay, I do have already this many employees. Okay, for this technology, I have this many resources. Okay, what they will do, they are going to give some demos, they will listen, and they will give some inputs. Based on that, these guys respond. Okay, everything they will do. Finally, they will do one agreement. Okay, that is called SLA, service level agreement. Okay, this is not our headache. These two guys, they will take care of this. Okay, once you got the project to your company. Okay, so you have an architect or manager. Okay, what these guys will do, they are going to, this architect, he is going to, architect or manager, or you can say scrum master, or anyone. What this guy will do, he is going to divide your entire project into sprint wise. Okay, here sprint is nothing but, okay, they will create some sprint. Sprint is nothing but like for 7 days, in some of the organization 10 days, 15 days.
Target.
Sorry.
It's like a target, right?
Yeah. So like this, they are going to segregate all the sprints. Okay. So each and every sprint, what we need to do, which end system we need to connect, which API we need to call, everything they will mention in the sprint. Okay. Now in this sprint, okay, once they created, suppose imagine this is sprint 1. Okay. In this sprint 1, what we need to do, we need to create a high level designs and all everything. Okay. This high level designs and all, who will take care? Architect is going to take care. Okay. So that time we don't have any works because we are the developers, right? See, we'll create an architecture, UML diagrams, everything. Okay. Have you heard about UML diagrams? This is high level I'm talking about. This is not required for developers. Can you click on this images? So first what they will do, they are going to design like this. Okay. Imagine, let me take this. Okay. First one person is there. Okay. So we need to take his details, name, phone number, email ID. Okay. Purchase, parking pass. Okay. Then student will be there, professor. Like this, they will create, this kind of use case diagram architecture. After that, once they design this, okay, they are going to assign some story or theory in the Jira board. Okay. story or theory is nothing but, okay, our work. In the technical terminology, we can call it as a story or theory. Okay, this is the technical terminology. Okay na? In simple terminology, I can call it as a work. Okay na? మనకి వర్క్ చేయమని చెప్తారు కదా ఆఫీస్లో, దాన్ని స్టోరీ ఆర్ థియరీ అంటారు. They are going to assign in the Jira or ServiceNow. These two are the ticketing tools. As soon as they will assign your work here, you will get a mail trigger saying that your story is assigned, okay, and your story number is blah blah blah, okay, everything you will get to your email. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to access for this Jira or ServiceNow, as I said earlier. So whatever the mail you received, their story number will be there. Just copy that number and come to Jira and paste it over there. Then directly it will display your story. Then you have to read that what they assigned. Okay, today in this sprint you are going to complete this task. Okay, in this, if you want, you can add some subtasks as well. Okay, and you can provide some estimation. They will give you for sprint 15 days. You can create some subtask there. You can provide estimation. Suppose if you want to finish one API within 1 day, you can provide 2 days over their estimation. So after 2 days, they will ask you, hey boss, you gave estimation, so I think today is your last day. What's your progress on this? Okay, you have to answer. Daily we have some stand-up meetings or scrum calls. Okay, there you have to answer to them. Okay, this is how you are going to get the requirement. Once you got the requirement, based on the requirement, okay, you have to work on this design phase, development phase, and as well as deployment phase. Okay, in the design phase we are going to use Anypoint platform. In the development phase we are going to use Anypoint Studio. In the deployment phase we are going to use both Anypoint Studio and as well as Anypoint platform. Both we can use here. Okay, any questions here?
Sir, what about Cloud Hub and on-prem?
Yeah, I will explain. Okay, so this is again a separate session. I will take 2 days session for this. See, Cloud Hub is nothing but our cloud, actual cloud, like AWS. Okay,
For storage purpose or to?
not only storage, we can deploy your applications. You can store something, you can launch your servers over there. Many things you can do with this. Okay.
Okay.
And on-prem means like own servers. This we can call it as a on-premises. Short we can call it as a on-prem. Okay. Now, so these are the 3 phases. So do you have any questions in this? Okay, I do have one question. Are we going to work all the 3 phases?
No.
How can you say no?
It's on the
I
organization
think
requirement.
in any point only we can run the script. Means I think we can run the designed one. Whatever we design now, I think in Anypoint Studio only we can run.
Once you develop this, you need to publish, right, somewhere. Are you using WhatsApp or Facebook or anything?
Yes.
Okay, sometimes you will get updates, right, saying that app new version it will come, suppose 7.2 like this. Okay, how we are getting like this? Whatever the development we will do it, need to push to the Cloud Hub. In your case, what will happen, if you are using Android or iOS, you have to use Play Store or App Store. Okay, there you will get the updates. Update is nothing but they are going to update some extra features in the development. Once it is done, they will push to this deployment so that it will be always in the live. Correct? Let me give you a simple example. Okay, if you want withdraw your money from the ATM. Okay, how we are going to withdraw your money? You will go to the ATM. There you need to download. Okay, if you want a statement, you can take. If you want withdraw your amount, you can do. You can transfer. Everything you can do. How we are going to do? Because your all bank details will be maintained in the servers. So that's why 24/7, anytime you can withdraw your money, correct? So this complete concept I will explain you in the coming classes so that you will understand. So now my question is, are we going to work all the three? Not sure. Why? Because in some of the organization, if you take PwC, in the PwC, for each and every phase, they are going to hire, separate resources. For design, all the designs, they will hire 2 to 3 people. What these guys will do, they are going to design our APIs and they will hand over to developers. Okay. Here developers, they are going to develop this. Once this development is done, what they will do, they will push entire code to the GitHub. Okay. Once they will push that code to the GitHub, deployment is there, right? Deployment means most of the cases, DevOps team will be there. Okay. Whatever code you push to the GitHub, what these guys will do, he is going to take that code. Okay. He will add some pipelines, CI/CD pipelines, and they are going to deploy to the Cloud Hub. That is one company. In some of the organizations, we need to take care of design development, both phases, one person. Okay. Deployment, again, separate team. If it is, if it takes small kind of organization, like where people will be there, some 200, 300 people, in that case, you have to take care of all the three phases. Okay. So we cannot say exactly which phase we are going to work, but I'm going to teach all the three phases. Okay. So that you can work any kind of phase very easily. Okay. Clear? PwC is a company. Okay. It is a company. It is a big company. Just I gave example. Okay. Next, this is the API designer. Once we open this Anypoint platform, it will be look like this. Okay. This I'm going to cover, in the tomorrow session. This is Anypoint Studio. Once we open Studio, it will be like this. Okay. Okay. Now, see, my demo got over. Okay. Now, today, what you need to remember. Okay. Forget everything. If you remember, that is fair enough. Okay. That's what I told you, right? For design, deploy, development, separate people will be there, or only one person will do. Depends upon the company. If it is a big company, as I said earlier, for three phases, 3 people will be there. For some of the companies, design and development, only one guy will be there. Deployment, separate person will take care. Okay. If it is small company, all the 3 phases, we need to take care of this. Clear? Okay. Now, so my demo got is over. Like now, this is the time I'll take queries from your end. Okay, one by one. So before that, I'm going to answer, few of the regular questions because I'm handling so many batches, right? I know what kind of questions you are asking. First question is, sir, I am into different background. I am into IT. I am into mechanical. I am into civil. I'm a recruiter. Okay. I'm a backend developer. Okay. I'm a test engineer. Okay. Can we take this course? Yes, you can. Okay. That is the question number 1. Okay. Next question. Okay. Can you provide the course content? Yes, we can provide. Sir, what is the fee? Okay. See, whoever you contacted, you can ask them. They will mention all your fee details. Okay. Next thing is, do you provide any material? Okay. Or are you going to provide, daily recording sessions? Yes, we are going to provide, material. So we are going to provide interview question. Interview questions I can give you in 3 ways. One is, okay, one is daily I'm going to provide 1 or 2 interview questions. Okay. Second thing is through, phase wise, and suppose if we finish design phase, what and all the questions you will get it from phase wise I am going to provide. Okay. And the third one is company wise also I'm going to provide. These 3 ways I can provide interview questions. Okay. One more thing, sir, certification is mandatory or not? Okay. Nowadays, huge openings are there, many resources are available. So that's why this certification also required. Okay. 1 second, hold on. Okay. See, at the end, you will get interview questions, topic wise, company wise, phase wise. So resume preparation, we are going to provide some sample resumes. Okay. We can help you how to, keep in the Naukri, how to talk with the recruiter or HR. After that, I am going to provide, some personal references. My students are, working, all the companies, wherever the openings are there, we have WhatsApp group, we can post over there. Next, this you never get anywhere. Line number 5. 5 live APIs in the design session. Okay. Design anyone is going to explain to you. Okay. And also in YouTube also you will get, lot of things you will get it. Okay. That I can provide 5 live APIs. Okay. And also this is common, connecting to MySQL database, how to load the records, how to fetch. This I'm going to cover. Okay. Next, these and all the softwares required. Okay. Ticketing tools for MNC, just now I explained, right? All in demo. Next, certification. So in the MuleSoft, we have 3 levels of certification. One is MCD level 1. If you want to write this, $250. Okay. If you join this course, I will get it for you free of cost. Okay. I will help you to get the voucher. Once you got the voucher, you know how to write that exam. What kind of questions will be all the dumps I'm going to provide with the answers. Okay. Let me show you something. Already I'm running, some batches. Okay. Let me open this. Don't see my personal messages. Just what I'm showing. Okay. So this is 7 a.m. batch. Where is 7 p.m.? My keyboard is not working. Okay. See here today I asked them how many people, got certification. See how many people completed certification. Please let me know immediately. Okay. You can count it. Still they didn't finish their course. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. 24. Almost 24 people got certified. Okay. So I'm going to provide, all the dumps with you. Okay. Certification, you can do it free of cost. If you want to do that certification, you have to pay $250. Correct? So this you will get it free of cost. $250 means if you take $74 or 75 rupees, it will cost you around 18,500. Okay. That you will get it free of cost. If you want to do MCPA or MCIA certification, if you want to only voucher, you need to pay $375. If you want to learn this course, MuleSoft person, he will come and he will explain to you. Okay, he's going to charge $375,500. Almost 2 lakh rupees you have to pay. For this, almost 4 lakhs you have to pay MCIA. But if you are working some of the organization, you will get these vouchers free of cost. Okay. 6250. That means it will cost you around, how much? Imagine 6250 into 74. Can someone calculate?
Around 6 lakhs.
4.6 lakh. Okay. If you want to do this certification, 4.62,000 you have to pay. Okay. This I can help you free of cost, which cost you around close to 18 to 19K. Okay. And apart from this, what you will get? Okay. You will get company references, interview questions, everything you will get it. Okay. So daily, how many hours you are going to take this session? Okay. Daily, I will take 1 hour, 7 to 8. Okay. This time is fixed. Okay, there is no change in that. The people who are looking for morning time and all, okay, it is not possible for me already because few batches are running in the morning time. Okay, this is the slot where I am going to free. Okay, now any other questions? Okay, apart from this, if you have any questions, please let me know. What is MCPA? What is MCIA? MCPA is nothing but MuleSoft Certified Integration Architect, MuleSoft Certified Platform Architect. Okay. So Maharshi texted something. See, just now I told you course fee and all, like people to whom you contacted, you can directly check with them. Okay. How to add this WhatsApp group link, sir? Okay. People who and all registered with this course, okay, that means you have to pay amount. Okay, then only what you will get, we are going to add you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, once you added in the WhatsApp group, we will take your mail ID so that we can provide complete, videos recording access to you. Okay, every day you will get recordings. Okay, course duration. What is the course duration? Course duration is 1 hour on daily basis. Okay, how many days course will complete? It may take 35 hours. Is it mandatory to do these two certification? For our entry level, it is not required. Okay, at least if you have 2 to 3 years of experience in MuleSoft, then only you can crack this interview. Course duration is 35 hours. How many days course complete? Okay, 35 hours. Interview support or proxy? Interview support is nothing but I am going to help you where the openings will be there. Where, okay, so you can, I can share that HR number or recruiter mail ID with you, so you can attend. Okay, so why? Because don't go with the proxies and all. That is my sincere advice. Why? Because if you go with the proxy, there will be client rounds. At that time, you have to take care of this. If you fail there, you will lose your job, you will lose your money. I can make you to clear the interview. Okay, so weekend also classes will be there. Okay, if I miss any sessions because due to my office work, if I get any urgent work and all, if I miss any classes in the weekdays, I'm going to take the sessions in weekend. Or else, if you want weekends also classes, if everyone is okay, then I will take. Do we get PDF material? Yes, you will get. You will get from the company itself, MuleSoft company itself. What are the material I received, I can share with you, which consists of almost 570 pages. As a developer, level 1 certification is enough. Yes, fair enough. Okay, how it is possible free of cost of certification? I can help you once you join this course. Okay, yes, you will get it. Okay, proxy, just now I explained, right? How long videos access will availability? These videos you can access lifetime. Okay, we are not going to removing, and WhatsApp also it will be there, access for lifetime until unless you left. Okay, for the client interview also, can you provide the guidance? Of course, I can provide. Some person saying that we should know core Java. Is it necessary? This is not required. Okay, in Mule 3 we are going to use Java. In Mule 4 we are not going to use. If you have a Java knowledge, that is the advantage. That's it. Not required, I can say. Okay, my current package is 15 lakhs, but other technology, can I get a hike on this by keeping 2 years? Yes, of course you will get it. Okay, you will get it more than 25k. Sorry, 25 lakhs easily. Sir, is there any joining cost? Joining cost means? Sai Kiran, I didn't understand this question. Are you there? Thanks for your brief explanation on each topic. Size query from the folks. Okay, not only this. Okay, daily my sessions will be like this. Okay, 10% theory, remaining 90% complete practical sessions. Is 2 years. If you keep 3 years also, whatever I am teaching, that is sufficient. But until unless you need to practice that. Payment terms and conditions. Okay, payment you can pay Google Pay, Phone Pay, transfer. Okay, Three options are available. Is there any coding knowledge required? I told you many times, not required. Even if you don't know anything, also fine. I can help you from scratch. Clear? Any other questions? After how many classes we can start at interview question? Okay, interviews. So my suggestion is at least you need to, finish 25 classes, then you can go for interviews. Now calls are good. Okay, within a month, we will finish this course and we will join. For 3 to 4 years experience package, what can we expect? I told you right in the beginning itself. For 4 years, up to 15 you can expect. Passed out 2019, sir. Can I put 2 years experience? Yes, you can. And we can help you, experience letters as well. Don't worry. I don't have any real-time experience. Can I manage? Yes, you can manage. I can help you here. Is there any openings for freshers? I'm so sorry. Freshers openings are there, but very less. Will you give any assignment for practice? Daily, I'm going to give you some task. You have to do it and you have to post in the WhatsApp group. Passed out 2014. Can I get a job? Yes, you can. You can easily get the job. I have a gap 9 years from post graduation. I'm into different fields. Okay, this question I need to answer. Why? Because many people, they will have some gaps due to some XYZ reason. Okay, some people they are working, some BPO sector and other areas, and apart from that, okay, few of them, they are taking some maternity leave or something. Okay, if you have any kind of gap, what you can do, so whatever you worked earlier, suppose if you have 9 years of experience earlier, you worked some XYZ technology, right? That you can keep. Okay, and after that recent, past relevant experience 2 years MuleSoft you can add. Okay, so that it will be easily. My current company 3 months notice period. Company will wait for 3 months. Only few of the organization they will accept, not all the organization. Okay. Sir, I'm 2015 pass out and don't have any experience in the IT. How many years can I put? Okay, you can keep 3 years. Okay, you just tell them after completion of this. Again, I will take 2 separate sessions for this. Okay, based on your experience. Okay, how you need to manage interviews, how you need to keep experience.
I'm attending class. I'm in class now.
Classes you can attend, no problem. I told you, even if you have 20 years gap also, you can attend this course. I can help you how to get the job, how to survive in the real time. Can you provide any previous students, training completed students references to us so that we will keep in touch with them? What you will do with them? So what I will do, if a demo is nothing, right? So what I will do, I'm going to offer 3 to 4 sessions free of cost. Okay, again 3 sessions you can 2 to 3 sessions you can attend free of cost. If you like my training, then you can join. See, by seeing these participants only will come to know, right? Already I do have very good experience. I'm going to train well. So that's why you can see this number of audience here. Can you please teach us in Telugu a little bit? Of course. Definitely andi ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్తాను. Being a testing lead, how can I manage my experience on MuleSoft having 10 years? Saying that I have 10 years of experience into, total 10 years of experience. In this past 7 years, I'm working as a test engineer. So after that, due to project requirement, I switched to MuleSoft. So last 3 years onwards, I'm working as a MuleSoft engineer. That is how you can keep it. Sir, your number. So you will get my number in WhatsApp group. Okay, don't worry. Within 3 days, you will get my number. If you want immediately, you can register. So you will get my number and everything. You can directly call to me. You can text to me. I have completed B Form C. Is it okay to work on IT? Yes, of course you can work. See, if you go with the experience, okay, they won't ask you, whether you are a IT background or non-IT or pharmacy or nothing. They won't mind all this. They will check your latest experience. I have experience in a BPO. Just now I told you, right? BPO also you can manage. Zero coding. Yes, this is a zero coding. You can learn this. Same Zoom ID or any other will generate for free 3 classes. Okay, for up to 3 classes, same link you can join with the same ID. Okay. After completion of 3 classes, 4th class we are going to change. Okay. People who and all paid or registered, only to them we are going to share with this updated link. Okay. We need to attend any test to get certificate. Yeah, this I can help you, Maharshi, how to do that. I can provide you, you have to register some website. Okay, there you need to finish your all training. Then you have practice exam. You have to, in this 60 questions will be there. You have to answer. For all the 60 questions, I will provide answers. Once you provide that, you will get the voucher. Once you got the voucher, you have to give certification exam. Same like what are all the questions you will get in the certification. Same 60 questions I can provide you so that you can answer. Payment has to be done in one shot or any optional. Okay. That is your wish, boss. Like you can check with them to whom you contacted so that they can help you in this. Okay. I hope almost I answered whatever you posted in the chat box. Any other questions? No. Okay, guys, sounds good. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for joining. Okay. We'll catch up, tomorrow, same time. Okay. So you will get this recording. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, all. Bye. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Kishore.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, all. If we start now, how many months we get a job? Okay. If you practice whatever I explained, within 2 months, you will get a job. But you need to practice. You have to prepare interview questions, what are not like you will get it. Okay, guys, I'm going to wind up this session now. We'll catch up tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.